I just found a very easy strategy to getting your 4,000 watch hour. Number one, it is organic. Number two, it is guaranteed. And number three, it is easy to do. Anyone can do it. Anyone, believe in me, anyone can do it. Without number 2 and 3, you won't achieve it. So you must watch this video to the end to get the message and know how to apply it. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's go. Now, what you want to do first is that you have to start going live on your channel. You heard me. You have to start going live on your channel. Most of us don't go live on our channel. Okay. Now, going live on your channel helps you to get a lot of things. Like going live on your channel helps you to, to stay active. Like it helps to retain more audience because most persons want to watch it when you are, live. They want to chat with you, they want to talk to you direct, so you get more watch hour. More persons want to stay longer time watching what you're doing in your live section, right? Now, in order to go live, you need at least 50 subscribers, just 50 subscribers. Now, if you're if you're a new YouTuber and you're not up to 50 subscribers, don't worry, okay? I will tell you what to do to get to 50 subscribers. It is very easy. Okay, so once you get your 50 subscribers, okay, you are good to go to start going live. Now, ensure you go live for at least 1 hour. Not just few minutes, you are done. Go live on YouTube for at least 1 hour, okay? Now, before you go live, sometimes live session can be so boring because maybe you've run out of what to say and so boring. So what I do is this. I use a notebook, right? Yes, I use a notebook, then write down some things that I want to talk about in my live section. If I want to ask questions in my live section, if I want to, discuss about something, I write those things down. Right? Yes, you can use ChatGPT to write down what you want to do in your live session. Then you go through them one after the other. With that, your live session will not be boring and you'll not be tired because you have something to say to your audience and your audience will be there to answer. Now, you don't need to wait for everybody to join the live session before you start. Okay, just introduce yourself in the fastest way possible and then tell them what today's live session is all about and start your live section. Okay. Now, another thing again is that you have to make sure that you have a very good thumbnail for that your live section. Okay. So before you start live section, make sure you already design your thumbnail. Okay. If you go through my videos, you see my live sections. I have designed thumbnail for it. So make sure you already design your thumbnail for your live session and then you use them. Right? Yes. There are so many apps you can use for your live session, but I use YouTube app. Others use other apps. Okay, so you can just choose the one you want to use. To create this your thumbnail, just go to Canva, okay? Search for YouTube thumbnail and edit and create your thumbnail. So easy and so simple. Now, if you're looking to a way to do that, I also make videos on how to do that. So you can just watch my videos and see how you can create thumbnails, okay, from Canva, CapCut, and what have you. Now, another thing you want to do is that you do not manipulate watch hour. Do not manipulate watch hour because algorithm is watching you. Algorithm is watching your growth on YouTube. You don't know. So algorithm knew when you had 100 views. They knew when you had, maybe let's even start from 20 views, 50, 100, and all of a sudden you jump to 10,000 views. Algorithm is watching you. Okay, they know when you are manipulating it. So avoid it so that you don't regret later. So that you don't regret. I've seen some persons that after getting their 4,000 watch hour, they got rejected. They got rejected. So you don't want that, right? So make sure you just follow the smooth step. Follow the smooth step, okay? Yes, do what is right. Don't manipulate it. Don't try to manipulate it. People that are doing that thing, they are not getting it right at the end. They get, like most of them always see this rejection back to back. And you don't want that. So if your views are manipulated, the algorithm will know. If your views are manipulated, the algorithm will know. That is, even when you are doing sub for sub, algorithm knows. They know that you are doing sub for sub. So do not manipulate anything. Just make sure you follow these things. okay, the way it should, right? Now, the fourth thing is this. I even said I'm going to give you just three, but I'm even giving you more. And that's because I want you to actually succeed in getting your 4,000 watts hour. Now, the fourth one you want to do is this. Create long videos. I've said that aside from going for live for 1 hour, you need to create long videos. Okay, because I don't know, you said you want 4,000 watt hour and you're creating 3 minutes videos. Excuse you. 3 minutes videos will not give you 4,000 watt hour. It will not. Let's say 50% watch it. It will not give you what you are looking for. So let your video be at least maximum of 15, minimum of 8 minutes, maximum of 15 minutes if you are tired though. I've seen videos of 30 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, now maximum of 15 minutes, minimum of 8 minutes is okay. Okay, so that when you get longer views, like if you get good views, it will amount to your watch hour, right? So please take your time to prepare your videos and make longer videos. Now, the 15 on my list is this. I think I've mentioned that. Having a good thumbnail. Having a good thumbnail brings more curiosity. Have thumbnail that is hooking enough. Okay, eye-catching for people to stop and watch. Thumbnail that will, make people to stop and watch. Not just anyhow thumbnail. Take your time and create good thumbnail. Okay, another one is that you need to add your videos to playlists. Playlist helps a lot. People don't know. If you take all my videos, you'll see that I have some in playlists. And what's about playlists is that when you're making your videos, okay, when you set it in playlists and people are watching it, they watch from this playlist to that playlist. They keep watching and watching. So playlist is very good. Okay, especially when you refer them to go and watch a particular video, and if that video happens to be in a playlist, it will keep showing them other of your videos, right? So make sure that you have your videos lined up in playlists. You can create like 3-4 playlists according to each of the videos. Let's say you have playlists for all the videos that are for 4,000 watch hour. You have playlists for all the videos that are for, each of the topics that you're talking about. Create playlists for each of the videos. It's very, very good. Now, another thing is that you need to work on your editing, guys. Work on your editing. Very, very important. Don't just, some of us are so lazy to edit videos. I know, it's not easy. Pardon me for using that word. It's not easy. It's not easy. Editing videos is not. Me, I can attest it's not easy, but please try. Ejo, try. Okay? Try and give some touchings to your video. I know it's not easy, but you just need to. You just have to try. Okay? Make sure you are editing your video before you put it out there. Don't just put something like just the way it is. You just put it out there. No. Edit the video before putting it out there. Okay? Work on it. I know you will not be perfect all of a sudden, but when you keep on working on it, it will be okay. And if you are camera shy, fine, but just keep working on yourself, okay? Yes, I'm not expecting you to have a perfect video for the first time. No, first 1 month of your presence on YouTube can be so messy, but just keep going, right? Keep going. So that is it. I've given you up to 7 things that you need to get to your 4,000 watch hour. They are practical, they are guaranteed, they are organic. So if you put them to practice, and it is doable because people are doing it, right? So the final thing I want to say is this. Okay, let's say you've created your playlist, okay? Now you have 20 of your friends. You can send them the link to your playlist and maybe send them some data and beg them to watch your playlist, and make sure that each of the videos is up to 1 hour. So they can decide to watch it maybe during night, maybe when they want to sleep, they just put on the video and start playing. Okay, once that one is done, it will take them to another of your video, another of your video, another of your video. So that is how you can also grow your watch hour. Okay, you can get your friends, create a broadcast on WhatsApp. If you don't know how to create a broadcast list, just say hi to me in the comment section. Just type broadcast and I will make a video on how to create a broadcast list where you add your friends there, and then you tell these your friends, you send the link of your playlist to them, and then encourage them to watch your videos for you. If they do this, let's say they do it for like 2 weeks, there's no way you will not get your watch hour. So these are the simple things that you can do, okay, committedly, consistently, and boom, you get your water. So if this video spoke to you watching me, you know what to do. Apply what I've said. Apply them. Pick one or two things and apply, and see for yourself what will happen, right? And then do not forget to hit the subscribe button, because you may miss some important update though. So hit that subscribe button, apply what I've said, and see you in my next one. I'm your friend Sylvia, and on this channel I talk about YouTube growth and stuff about growth. So until next one, see you. Bye for now.